Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Sony 4K Camcorder in 2024.
Top 1.
Sony PXWZ-150 4K SDXC Camcorder, PXWZ-150, with 2-64GB memory card, 2 extra batteries. 1x Sony PXWZ-150 4K SDXC Camcorder, 1x 7-inch on-camera LCD monitor, 1x Sony XDCAM VG1 electric condenser shotgun microphone, 1x Sony MDR7506 professional stereo headphones, 2x Sony 64GB memory card, 1x professional LED 160 video light, 1x large padded carrying case, 1x 62mm 2x professional telephoto lens, 1x 0.45x wide angle lens, 62mm, black, 2x NPF 970 battery, 1x 62mm 3-piece filer kit, 1x full-size tripod, 1x battery charger, 1x 62mm UV filter and more. Single 1x RCMO sensor UHD 4K, 3840x2106.
Top 2.
Sony HXR NX80 4K HD NXCAM Camcorder. Fast hybrid autofocus with advanced features. Instant HDR workflow with HLG. Super slow /S&Q motion. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and streaming options. Simple live solution when combined with MCX500 live producer and RM30BP remote for corporate video, event video, education, faith, and government video. There's never been anything like Sony's HXR NX80. This sleek chassis represents the most power we've ever built into a palm-sized NXCAM camera. With advances like 4K, 3840x2160 resolution, instant HDR, a giant 1.0 type image sensor and fast hybrid autofocus, this is the perfect tool for taking your productions to the next level. Iris, f2.8, f4.5 auto/manual selectable.
Top 3.
Sony PXWZ-90V 4K HD compact NXCAM camcorder. Fast hybrid autofocus with advanced features. Instant HDR workflow with HLG. Super slow /S&Q motion in Full HD XAVC 10-bit 4:2:2. 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi networking with support for SDXC air production system. Simple live solution when combined with MCX500 live producer and RM30BP remote. Filter diameter M62mm. Max focal length 32.8 for unobtrusiveness, agility and ubiquitous news gathering. The PXWZ-90V offers the highest performance Sony has ever built into a palm-sized SDXC camera. With advances like 4K, 3840x2160 resolution, instant HDR, a large 1.0 type.
Top 4.
Sony PXWZ-150 4K SDXC camcorder. World's first 1.0-inch type stacked XMR-RS imaging sensor, flexible 4K and Full HD recordings, XAVC long GOP at 100 Mbps, HFR 120 fps, super slow motion, continuous, clear image zoom, 24x for HD, 18x for 4K. Wi-Fi/NFC networking capabilities for high mobility, 3.5-inch Type 1550K LCD panel for high-resolution monitoring, compact and lightweight body, dual media slots for recording flexibility. Built-in ND filter, wide choice of connections, 3G SDI, HDMI, multi/micro USB, professional audio XLR terminals, remote and composite, RCA, multi-interface, MI, shoe to connect and control Sony's wireless mic systems.
Top 5.
Sony PXWZ190 Compact 4K 3CMOS 1/3 Type Sensor SDXC Camcorder, bundle with video bag, 64GB SDXC U3 card, video tripod, cleaning kit, memory wallet, card reader. Sony USA authorized model includes full USA Sony warranty. Sony PXWZ190 4K 3CMOS 1/3 sensor SDXC camcorder 1, BPU30 lithium-ion battery, 1, professional LED 160 video light 1, 64GB SDXC high-speed memory card, 1, professional full-size tripod, 1, soft padded carrying case, 1 to 82 mm UV filter 1, 6 to 6 inch straps, assorted colors, 1, cleaning kit, 1, memory card wallet, 1, SD card USB reader. Equipped with 3 1/3 XMR.
Top 6.
Sony PXWX70 Professional Handheld Camcorder 4K. High sensitivity and high resolution, optical 12x Zeiss Vario Sunner T lens with lens ring, 24x clear image zoom, ND filter control mechanism, focus, zoom, and iris manual control. Wi-Fi/NFC with content browser mobile version 1.4 or later, live streaming, file transfer, etc. are planned to be supported by a future upgrade, XAVC HD for 2210-bit recording, and 4K ready in near future. Dual media slots for simultaneous/relay recording and independent record control, slow and quick motion, multi-interface shoe for flexible connection, viewfinder includes amazing OLED technology. Top 7. Sony PXWZ190 Compact 4K 3CMOS 1/3 Type Sensor SDXC Camcorder, bundle with video bag, 64GB SDXC U3 card, video tripod, lens hood, pre-installed, EVFI cup, BPU30 battery pack, BCU1 AAC adapter/charger, power cord, USB cable, CD-ROM operating instructions, Sony 1-year warranty, video bag, 64GB SDXC U3 card, video tripod, cleaning kit, memory wallet, card reader, PXWZ190, 4K handheld camcorder with all new 1/3 Type 3CMOS with 4K 50p/60p, 59.94 fps, recording capability, 25x zoom lens and advanced face detection AF.4K 50p/60p with a stunning 25x zoom lens. This superb all-rounder is the de facto choice for a wide range of 4K and HD single camera shoots with an all-new 1/3 Type 3CMOS sensor. A powerful 25x zoom lens with 3 independent lens rings delivers pin-sharp 4K imaging for almost any professional shooting scenario.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.